Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So by this look, you can tell I am doing a bright, bold, Pride Month type of look. It's my first time doing a type of look like this, but I was very inspired because it is Pride Month. And yeah, so this is my first beauty video in my new space. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below. Y'all know I love reading y'all comments. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, and if you would like to see me create this bold Pride Month type of look, please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. So yes. All right, guys, so if y'all see me looking down, it's because my mirror is right here and you know the camera's right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Blondie powder, and I'm gonna just place that over my eyelids. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow, and this is the shade Regular, and I'm going to just blend that into my crease to build up a good transition shade for the bright colors that we're going to use. Now I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to just place that all over my eyelids and try to blend that out so that the bright colors could have something to adhere to so that my colors can stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Eyes on 80s palette. I've had this palette for a while, so I'm not really sure if BH Cosmetics still sell it, but this is what the palette looks like. So the first shade that I'm going to go into is this bright green, and I'm going to just place that in my inner eye area. As you may notice, I did end up switching my eyeshadow brush. The first one was a little too thin for what I was trying to do, so I ended up switching my brushes out. So the next shade I'm going in with this blue color. And that blue looked more like a purple to me, so it really didn't do what I wanted to. So I ended up changing the blue to a little brighter blue. And as you see, I placed that on top of that. Okay, so now I'm going in with that pink shade, and I'm going to place that right on the side of that blue color. And now I'm going in with this deep purple shade and just place that on the side of the pink, and just make sure that all the colors are actually blended out for a seamless look. I was kind of confused on what I wanted to do at this point, but I decided to go in with that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil again, just so I could put a little bit of color up underneath my eye. So now I'm going in with that bold red shade and place that in the inner corner of my bottom lid. The next shade I'm going in with is this orange shade, and I'm going to just blend that on the side of that red and just make sure all those colors are blended together. So the final color I'm going in is with this yellow. This yellow is not as bright as I wanted it to be, so I really had to go in and pack on the color. So now I'm going in with the Neutrogena makeup wipes just to clean all the fallout from my face and just make sure everything is off. So now I'm going in with my NYX liquid liner just to line my lid. I'm not going with a wing with this look. I'm just doing a thin liner. So now I'm going in with my Allure Vegas Nail Lashes. They are so dramatic and I love them. So then I'm just tight lining my bottom eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty foundation and I'm in the shade Cinnamon, which is 440G. And I'm just placing it all over my face and I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge just to blend it out. Y'all, at this point I was hella thirsty and I've been drinking a lot of water. Okay, so now I'm going in with my MAC concealer palette and I'm just use the banana shade just to go in and highlight and color correct. And now I'm going back in with my Real Technique sponge just to blend out all of the concealer. Now I'm going back in with my Huda Beauty powder and I'm just place this everywhere I place the concealer just to set it. This setting powder is my Iman Cosmetics pressed setting powder. I love this setting powder. I use it all the time and I actually got it from Walmart. So go check that out. So this is my Black Radiance contour palette, and if you've been following me for a minute, y'all know I love this palette. I actually got it from Walmart for about $3. So if you want a good contour palette that's very pigmented and inexpensive, go check it out at Walmart. This blush is from Ion Cosmetics, and I got this from like a Fred's a few years ago, but it's a very pigmented, very pigmented. So I actually put too much on my right side, so I had to go back in with my powder brush to try to blend it out. That wasn't working, so I went in with my Real Technique sponge since it was still damp, and it fixed it. So now I'm going in with my Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I love that highlighter. So this is the NYX Mahogany lip liner. My camera's not really focusing on the products that I'm showing you, but this is NYX Mahogany lip liner. I love this lip liner. I feel like it makes all my neutrals pop, so I always tend to go to this specific lip liner. And the lipstick that I actually got is from Revlon. It is the Revlon Color Burst Lip Butters. And I just love it. So smooth and buttery. And that lip butter was in the shade Creme Brulee. I gotta show y'all my little Yorkie. Rocky, stop. So this is my Rocky. This is my Yorkie, Rocky. This is my little baby. Ain't that right? You my baby. You looking crazy in this mirror. Look. Rocky. His little heart beating so fast. He don't know. He's only 3 months, guys. Both of my boys, Jaden birthday February 9th and Rocky's birthday February 28th, y'all. So I got 2 February babies. So he's only 3 months. And he is a handful. It's my little Rocky. I'm gonna let him go because he's whining now. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my little puppy. Rocky.